In this module, we will learn Americanization as a global process. As we know that globalization is considered another name of American hegemony or Americanization. And it also shows that how American culture is getting dominant over the other part of the world and how it is distorting the local culture. Immigrants have no choice other than learning English language. American business practices, dominance of American entertainment industry, fast food restaurants, and other like articles, which they are obliged to exploit living in America or in any developed part of the world or even in the developing part of the world. Besides the United States, Americanization is also a dominance force in Canada, Mexico, Central and South America. Servan Schreiber, American, he said that America has become a great threat to the business, industries, and economy of Europe. However, this stance is contradictory when we see the rise of European Bavarian Motor Works, that is popularly known as BMW, in comparison to the American General Motors. McDonaldization. You know that there is a fast food chain in the whole world known as McDonald, which is capturing the major food industry in the global market, and that is what we know as McDonaldization. Fast food restaurants are increasing not only in the United States but also in the rest of the world, and it is becoming a global symbol, a global identity, and it is leading to the bureaucratization of societies and streamlining the processes, uniform goods and services, and fast monetary transactions are going on owing to this process of McDonaldization in the different part of the world. And this McDonaldization is also contributing to bring a social change. It is directly linked to the notion of globalization, which can be observed that through these following indicators it is happening: education, offices, criminal justice system, hospitals, and traveling agencies. Anti-Americanism, like Americanism or Americanization, anti-Americanism has also become a global process. We all know that if there is any idea, there is an anti-idea always existing to its parallel. So when there is Americanization, so there is an anti-Americanization is already there. Or anti-Americanism is spreading more rapidly than Americanization. Although there is a general criticism across the globe, yet it is not a homogeneous phenomenon. It exists in different forms and has different causes everywhere. It is a critique against the social, economic, and political institutions, traditions, and values of the United States. Aversion to American culture. Why this hatred is increasing? Owing to that distinction to Americans and their etiquettes, behaviors, and dress, etc. Criticism on American foreign policy, rejection of American dominance, because as I mentioned in my previous slides, that how that selective morality on the part of the developed world gives boost, or you may say it gives that enhancement to the Americanization and monopolization in the market forces. It was increasing the lacuna between rich and poor. नतीजतन क्या हुआ कि गरीब क्लास के दरमियान एक सेंस ऑफ डेप्रीवेशन पैदा हुई, माइग्रेशन ऑफ ड्रीम्स हो गए. उनको जो एक कॉस्मेटिक इंडस्ट्री में नजर आता था जो फिल्मों में, जो ड्रामों में उनको दिखाया जाता था, जब वो सुबह उठ के देखते थे तो उनके पास वो चीज़ें नहीं होती। तो ये एक अमेरिकनाइजेशन के खिलाफ जो एंटी अमेरिकनाइजेशन एक स्टांस आया है, उसकी असल वजह वो सेंस ऑफ डेप्रीवेशन ऑफ एंड माइग्रेशन ऑफ ड्रीम्स है. Those are the major reasons behind this version of anti-Americanization.